My kings and queens, so today I made this delicious spaghetti and I decided to share. I don't know if I should call it fried spaghetti or jollof spaghetti. I don't just know. Just help me and give this meal a name. So what I did first was to season my beef. I use salt, thyme, chopped pepper, onion, soya spice, 1 cube, and salt to taste. What else did I add? Ginger and garlic to cook my beef. After that, I set it aside. Place another pot on the heat. Add water. Allow it to boil. Then cut my spaghetti. You can see I cut it into 4 parts, like one length like this. I cut it into 4. So that is how I want it. I pour it on a already boiled water. Allow it to steep or boil for just 2 minutes. Then I bring it out, sieve out the water, return the same pot for my beef stock and added my spaghetti. Yes, I want to use beef stock to cook it. Yes, you know that aroma, that flavor, and that beautiful taste. And that was the main reason why I seasoned my beef very well, because I just need that flavor. So after that, I washed my peas and I added it so that I can cook together for just 5 to 6 minutes. Then just set that one aside. On an empty pan, I added water. Already I have broke my egg, add salt, stir it together, then pour it in my oil. These are our scrambled eggs. I used 4 eggs, if you want to know. Obviously, I used 4 medium sized eggs. So here is my fry. As I'm frying it, I'm trying to stick to a smaller portion, you know. So at this point, our eggs ready. So I brought it out, and in that same pan, I added more oil so that we can fry our beef. Yes. So introduce our beef. And also fry it. I didn't really allow it to over fry or over fry. Just leave it to stir. I think I will use okay. This oil is already covering the flavor that I want. So in this pan and oil, I introduce my onion, and almost immediately I also added my pepper and stir everything together. I think I can please don't forget the flour, please. If you're coming across my channel or my videos for the first time, please do well to subscribe, like, and also drop your comments. And for my returning subscribers, for all your support, I thank and I appreciate each and every one of you. May the good Lord bless you. Please do well to subscribe. Please. Thank you so much. God bless you. So here I added my chopped tomato. I always use 4 medium size of fresh tomato here. I just blended it properly. Added it. Reason being that I want this, I don't want a dry spaghetti, I don't want a dry sauce, so that is why I added tomato. So here I added seasoning cube and salt, and added my jollof rice spicy, and mix everything together before introducing our green veggies. Here is my green beans. I added it and stirred together. Also added my green bell pepper. If you have red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, you can also add, even if you have any veggies of your choice. You can add carrots, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and onions, that green parts, you can add it. Okay, any veggies you feel like you can add at this point. So here we are. I'm adding cabbage, mixed everything together. See the beauty, it's already looking yummy. At this point, you can even use this to eat your rice, your yam, or anything you like. So now I'll be adding into our already cooked spaghetti. So the remaining minutes that is remaining for this spaghetti to be ready is almost 90% ready. So we're going to start fry it together with our veggies so that we can properly salt. And I love this golden penny product. It doesn't go like come together or just very I love it that way. Also I added little water at this point because I found out that there's no water and the pot is about to be dry and I don't want rice. I don't like it. Even if I'm not going to eat it, I don't just like it. So I always want it to be juicy and flavorful. So I added the remaining cabbage and our food egg and mix everything together. You can tell from this video that this food is going to taste very good. Yes. Even without eating it, you know that this meal must taste yummy. So here's the end result. I added our beef. Thanks for watching. Love you. God bless you.